Did you know that you can earn $100,000 or more just by using Pinterest? That's right, this platform isn't just for inspiration and ideas. It's a powerful tool that you could use to help you build multiple passive income streams, all by posting pins that people are interested in. Whether you're a complete beginner or already familiar with Pinterest, there are easy strategies that could help you cash in. Stay tuned as I reveal 5 of the easiest ways that you can make money with Pinterest in 2025. And the great part, there's no advanced skills required. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you step-by-step how you can monetize without having to worry about social media or the unpredictable and unstable algorithms. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Before we get into the 5 easiest ways to monetize Pinterest in 2025, let's go over some reasons why Pinterest is such a great opportunity. Number 1, the average user has a higher household income than other social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and even Reddit. Number 2, people that are searching on Pinterest are actively searching for a solution. What that usually means is that the people on Pinterest, they have more money and they have the credit card in hand ready to spend. Another benefit of Pinterest is that it ranks on Google, so the pins that you create could actually show up in search results in Google, help expanding your reach. Probably the best reason why Pinterest is such a great opportunity is because they don't suppress your reach when you link out to other platforms. For example, Facebook will suppress your reach if you provide a link to your blog or your website. Pinterest isn't like that at all. In fact, every pin includes a link that sends people off the platform, which is great for marketers and people that are just looking to make money. One final note before we get into the 5 easiest ways to make money with Pinterest. What I recommend is, instead of linking directly to the methods that I'm going to reveal in just a moment, send people to a landing page, a YouTube channel, a blog post, some way to capture their information, because it's highly likely that they might not discover you again through Pinterest, and so you want to make sure that you are maximizing the opportunity while you have it. All right, let's go ahead and get into the 5 easiest ways to monetize Pinterest in 2025. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. And if you're not familiar, affiliate marketing is recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, there are over 11,000 affiliate programs out there. The biggest one that most people are familiar with is Amazon, but literally every business out there has an affiliate program where they will pay you a commission for recommending their products and services. So basically, affiliate marketing works like this. You partner with a company, let's say Amazon. Once you have an account and you signed up, they're going to give you unique affiliate links that you're going to place on Pinterest. And if someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part about affiliate marketing is you don't need to have your own products or services. You don't need to worry about customer service or shipping. You just create content to get in front of a targeted audience. What I recommend that you do is first create a blog that is relevant to the Pinterest pins that you want to link to. Inside of the blog, include affiliate links to the different products and services that you recommend. I don't think it's a great idea to just put affiliate links inside of your Pinterest pins, but if you want to do it, go ahead and let us know how it goes. So this is how you're going to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. Step number 1, you are going to find affiliate programs that have products or services that you want to promote. The next step is you are going to sign up, and once you sign up, you are going to get affiliate links. The final step essentially is to create engaging pins and then either put your affiliate links in the pins or take an additional step, which I recommend, by putting your affiliate links in the blog post. The final step is to optimize your Pinterest pins so that you get the most amount of reach. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it take to start seeing results with affiliate marketing? And this really all depends on the quality of your pins. You could start seeing results in a little as a week, but most likely it'll probably take a few months to start getting consistent results. Now, with regard to earning potential, on the low end, you could make $50 per month with just a couple purchases with your affiliate link. But on the high end, you could make over $10,000 with affiliate marketing. Now, you obviously will need lots of traffic, you'll need lots of engaging pins, but with enough consistency, you could get to $10K per month with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. If you're looking for a real life example of someone that's already doing this, let's take a look at someone by the name of Lindsay, who is a Pinterest affiliate marketer. She has made over $40,000 with Pinterest and partnering with Amazon as an affiliate. She simply makes engaging pins, puts the affiliate links in the description, and when people click and buy, she earns a commission. Like everyone else on Pinterest, she started off with 0 followers, but the difference is that she was consistent and persistent. she got good at Pinterest SEO, and she got great at making good pins. Now let's go ahead and talk about a few pros and cons of going with this strategy. The biggest pro is that you don't need your own products or services. You simply recommend products and services that people are already aware of. Another pro is that this is almost 100% passive once you get this set up. The only thing you're going to have to keep doing is creating Pinterest pins to stay relevant and stay in the algorithm. The biggest con or drawback to this is that this is going to take some time. This is going to take time for people to find your pins, click on them pins, and make a purchase. Another con is sometimes Pinterest isn't keen on affiliate links. That's why I recommend sending people off the platform to a blog, YouTube channel, or landing page, and not just directly over to an affiliate link. Now, this is for you if you don't want to create your own products and services. This is such a great opportunity because you get to partner with established brands without having to come up with your own products. However, this is not for you if you are not patient enough for organic traffic. Also, this is not for you if you don't enjoy learning Pinterest SEO. That's going to be a huge component as to whether your pins get seen or not. Affiliate marketing is kind of like opening up a lemonade stand. You do not make the lemonade, however, you get paid anytime someone takes a sip. Number 4, Pinterest ads. Pinterest ads allow entrepreneurs and businesses to connect directly with their target audience, skipping over the time that it takes to go the organic route. The best part about ads is that you can target people based on their interests, their age, and even their location to get results quickly. And you can combine Pinterest ads with the other methods that I mentioned in this video to see growth really quickly. And this is actually really easy to get started. Step number 1 is to create a free business account and then access the ads manager. Step number 2 is to set up campaigns with promoted pins, targeting your industry, your target audience's interest, age, and location. And then step number 3 is to just monitor your results, do more of what's working, and stop whatever isn't working. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take you to see results. You can actually see results within 24 hours, depending on your target audience, the product that you're selling or promoting, and how good your pins are. And the best part about Pinterest ads is that you can scale really quickly. To get started, you'll probably make about $50 per month, but once you find a converting offer, you can scale that to $20,000 or $30,000 per month. For example, there's a person by the name of Mark Chapin who used Pinterest ads to scale his business. He makes over $20,000 per month with Pinterest ads and drop shipping, which we'll talk about in just a moment. The best part about this is that you can target people that are ready to buy, that have money, and generate a high return on investment. Now let's talk about a few pros and cons of going with this method. The biggest pro is that you can see fast results. If your Pinterest ad is dialed in and highly targeted, you could see results within the same day. Another pro is that you don't have to waste time with your organic research. You simply create pins, run ads, and get skipped to the front of the line. The biggest con though with running ads in general is that this may take some time and some money to find something that actually converts. Very rarely do marketers create an ad that automatically works the first time around. It's going to take some investment, some trial and error to get the data that you need to make better decisions. Another con is that some of your pins might get rejected because they go against the advertising policies. Now this is great for you if you have a few dollars to spend and you don't want to waste your time trying to go the organic route. Again, running ads is like skipping the line. However, this is not for you if you are risk averse. Because you're going to be spending money, it is a little bit risky. This also isn't for you if you don't have money to spend. The great part about ads is that you can start running for as little as $5 per day. But if you can't afford $5 per day, or that's too risky for you, go the organic route. Number 3, and potentially my favorite, is selling printables and digital products. Here, you're going to be selling workbooks, planners, trackers, and even cheat sheets directly to the consumer. And the great thing is, all you have to do is create high quality pins that are eye-catching and that stop the scroll. And this becomes almost 100% passive when you connect it to a web page like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your website. Getting started with this method is really easy. Step number 1 is to identify your niche and the type of printable that you want to create. Again, this could be budget planners, meal trackers, or even templates to help people achieve a specific result. Next, you are going to create a sales page. I personally recommend that you create a sales page using your website. It could be a WordPress website, or if you don't want to set it up, you can use Gumroad or Etsy. The third and final step is to create high quality pins that stop the scroll. Make sure that you use keywords that your target audience is actually searching for to increase your chances of being seen and clicked on. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take you to see results with this method. It could take 3 days up to 2 weeks, depending on how good your Pinterest pins are and how good your sales page is. And if you're just starting out, you could make about $100 per month with just a few pins. However, with a significant number of pins, the right Pinterest SEO, and the right offer, you could make well over $15,000 per month or more with your digital product. If you're looking for someone that's having massive success with this method, look no further than a person by the name of Rebecca. Rebecca is the founder of PLR Beach, and in 2022, she earned over $200,000 selling digital products through Pinterest. And the best part about this is that she's created all of these digital products for free using either PowerPoint, Canva, or even Google Sheets. The biggest pro of digital products is that there's no inventory. Also, it's about 99% passive. Once you create that digital product, it's yours forever. You don't have to store it anywhere except for on your computer, and you can sell it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. However, the biggest drawback to creating and selling digital products is it does require a significant knowledge and understanding of marketing. Also, you may see that sales will fluctuate depending on the year and the trends over time. Now, this method is for you if you love creating digital products and you love the organic reach of Pinterest. However, this is not for you if you are not interested in learning marketing. Also, this is not for you if you are looking for immediate results. Pinterest ads is probably going to be more suited for you. Number 2, drop shipping. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without actually having any inventory on hand. You're essentially the middleman. You're between the manufacturer and the customer. Because Pinterest is such a visual platform, it makes it a great opportunity for dropshippers to find success with their physical product. This is, again, really easy to set up. Step number 1 is to identify trending and popular products. The best niches for Pinterest are home decor, fashion, and tech. Next, you are going to use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to open up a drop shipping store. Once you've opened up your shop, you've got to find and connect with suppliers so that you actually have a product to deliver when someone clicks and buys. And then the final step is to design high quality Pinterest pins that showcase the product that you're selling and that will attract people that are interested. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take to see results with this method, and this method will probably take at least 2 weeks to 3 months to start seeing results. Again, this depends on the product that you're selling, how well the sales pages that you've created, and the Pinterest pins that you've made. And in the low end, you could make anywhere between $500 and $2,000 with this method. But on the high end, you could make $50,000 per month with drop shipping. In order to make $50,000 per month, you will need significant traffic. You will need a highly optimized sales page, and you'll need some back-end sales as well. As I mentioned before, a person by the name of Mark is already doing this with Pinterest, and so there's no reason why you couldn't do it either. As long as you have the right expectations that you're going to start off on the lower end and you're going to keep scaling until you meet your business goals. Now let's talk about a few pros and cons of dropshipping on Pinterest. The biggest pro of dropshipping is that you don't have any inventory stored in your home. In addition, another pro is that you get to sell products that are hot and in demand on Pinterest, which is one of the top 10 largest websites in the world. However, the biggest pro is that there is a lot of competition between dropshippers and people just selling stuff in general over on Pinterest. Another con of dropshipping in general is that you're going to be relying on suppliers. Back a few years ago during the pandemic, we saw the negative aspects of dropshipping and relying on suppliers to supply the products and services that they said they would. Now, dropshipping is best for people that want to get into selling e-commerce physical products but don't want to have to store it in their basement. However, this is not for you if you are looking for immediate results. It will take time to find a winning product that you can dropship. Also, the biggest con of dropshipping is physical products, the time that it takes for someone to purchase the product and to get it into their hands. Now with companies like Amazon, we expect to have our products the same day or the next day at the latest. And if you can't fulfill that in dropshipping, you might be facing customer complaints and customer returns. And the number one way to make money on Pinterest in 2025 is actually being a Pinterest virtual assistant. Business owners, influencers, and content creators of all sizes need help creating Pinterest pins. Everything from creating the pin to learning the platform and Pinterest SEO, it is a time-consuming task that some people just don't have time for. And that's where you could potentially come in. As a Pinterest virtual assistant, you can do everything from scheduling pins to creating eye-catching pins that stop the scroll, or simply connecting with the community by answering questions and pointing them in the right direction. Being a Pinterest virtual assistant might be the easiest way to get started. What you need to do is you need to learn how Pinterest works. You need to learn the types of pins that stop the scroll and get engagement. You need to learn how to optimize each pin and each board. Then once you learn those things, you need to go out and get clients. And there's a few ways to do it. Most people will go the freelancing route where they'll go to websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. What I think you should do is I think you should slide in the DMs of people that are on social media. You could reach out to people that are already on Pinterest but maybe not getting engagement. Reach out to people on other platforms and tell them the benefit of using Pinterest to help grow their reach. Or you could reach out to small businesses that are within your local area and talk to them about the benefits of using Pinterest. Here you might be wondering how long it takes to see results. If you are sliding in the DMs and you're sending 50 DMs per day, you could start seeing results within a few days. When you're sliding in the DMs of people, it's all about talking about the value that you can provide for people. Let them know that Pinterest is one of the biggest platforms in the world, and that if they're not on Pinterest, they're missing out on a huge opportunity to grow their audience and make more money. Now, you might be wondering how much money you could make as a virtual assistant. On the low end, you'd probably make about $500 per month, but that would require having a few different clients and uploading pins pretty regularly. But on the high end, you could make $10,000 per month as a virtual assistant for Pinterest. This would require you to work with larger businesses and potentially have a few people under you that take care of the Pinterest pin creation and some of the other aspects of creating Pinterest pins. If you're looking for an example of someone that's already doing this, look no further than the person by the name of Rachel. She has mastered the art of Pinterest social media marketing, and she makes over $10,000 per month simply managing as an agency, managing accounts for multiple customers. She's also scaled it to coaching and creating digital products, but she got started as a virtual assistant. Now let's go ahead and talk about a few pros and cons of this method. The biggest pro is that you can work anywhere in the world and you can work when you want. Another pro is that you can actually earn reoccurring income. So as long as a customer stays a customer, they'll keep paying you, and they'll keep paying you as long as they're seeing results. However, the biggest con is going to be finding clients. Because clients are expecting quick or immediate results, you might run through a few clients until you find the right one that is willing to stay with you through the long haul. Another con is that this is really competitive. If you create a freelancing gig over on Fiverr, just know that you're going to be competing with hundreds, if not thousands of people that see the opportunity that is being a virtual assistant for Pinterest. Now, this is for you if you want to help other people grow their business and presence through Pinterest. However, this is not for you if you don't like graphic design and you struggle with consistency over on Pinterest. Also, this is not for you if you struggle with deadlines and communicating effectively with your clients. Now that you know the 5 different ways that you can monetize Pinterest in 2025, watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.